Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with December Daily 2024, days number 6 through 8. So I am at a scrapbooking retreat in this video as well, and I am working on day number 6, which, let's see, it looks like... I think what happened was Ashley went to the city light parade, but I don't remember if I went. Do you remember if I went? Oh, right. I was hanging out with Jonas that night. So she took a picture of that and I put it in the album. And this one is, it's a really small photo and it's the only photo that she took, I think. But at least there was one photo, right? So I am going to add some snowflakes to this page. And I think I keep this one pretty simple, just like day number 5. You can see on the other side of it. And I will leave a link to the other days' videos because I have days 1 through 5 already done. So I'll leave those links below. Now here I am working on day number 7, and it looks like I took a photo of Max and Olivia, and I'm not sure what we were doing, but we were in the car and driving somewhere, which Olivia loves driving in the car. She loves just being with her people and doing anything. So we take her on a lot of trips and things with us. Even if we're just going to the store or just going outside, she'll walk outside with us and then come right back inside with us as well. It's very cute and I love it. So here you can see I am using this, to me it looked like poinsettia paper or poinsettia, however you say that. I'm not sure if that's really what it is. I think it's just a white or a red flower with green leaves, but I decided to use it as a poinsettia paper. And I was having a hard time making it fit because I wanted it to fit the whole page. And so I think what I end up doing here is kind of rounding the corner a little bit. Like I glued it down and then I cut off the corner because the corners are already rounded. And I wanted to make sure that it fit the paper exactly. Now I'm going to mat it with a green piece of paper, and I think I do the same on the other side just to kind of have that cohesive look through these 2 pages. I did have the journaling on the bottom of this day 7 page, so I think I'm also going to add more journaling lines at the top and just do some journaling up there. And I don't remember if I did any journaling while I was here at the scrapbooking retreat. I don't think I did, but I possibly could have. So I think next weekend I am going to, during the day, go and search for my December Daily 2024 and 2022 albums because I packed them away and I'm after doing this retreat and I'm not quite sure what I did with them or where I put them because we were trying to move back in May of this year and honestly I have no idea. I've already looked in a few places and I couldn't find them where I thought I had put them. So that's kind of sad. But I think this coming up weekend, I am going to put aside some time and go through stuff in the camper to make sure I didn't just throw it in there. So we'll see. And then I might be able to do a flip through of December Daily 2022 of the complete album because I was hoping to be able to find that and do that for you guys. But alas, I haven't found the album yet. Okay, so we're moving on to day number 8, and for this one I had 2 photos. One photo is of Max being cute and serious, and I think he was sitting on the couch watching TV. And then Lorelai was using the kitchen that Ashley and I were making for them. I think we had like a piece of the kitchen sitting out because we were going to paint it. And so Lorelai started stacking her toys on top of it and pretending like it was an actual kitchen. And it kind of made it kind of funny because, yeah, it was then a present that Santa gave the twins. And they were like, oh. And we told them that Santa asked Mom, Ashley, and I to make the kitchen for them because his elves were really, really busy that year doing a lot of other things. So they bought that story. I don't know that they really questioned it at all anyway, but for my heart, I had to make up a story. So I didn't end up using the same poinsettia paper on this side. I thought I had, but I didn't. So I am using this pretty red and green plaid, and I am just gluing the two photos down, and then I will do the journaling above. And let's see, I'm going to add some embellishments. I have a lot of scraps on my desk, and so I decide to add some of those scraps to this day number 8 page. And I think I'm going to add something else, some sequins. Oh, it looks like a tag from this Christmas collection from October afternoon. And I'm just going to cut off that piece and put it right next to the D. And that works out really well for that area. And then I also glue the other piece of it to day number 7. Now I am going to... I don't know what that says, but it's a word phrase, and it's just a stamp. I think that one's from One Canoe 2, I think was the name of the company, and I don't think they're in business anymore. And then I'm going to use these pretty pink, what are those called? Nouveau drops, I think. And just make a little circle on that paper. And I think I remember that I actually forgot I did that, and I closed the book, and whoops, they hadn't dried yet. So I'm not sure if it stayed, but anyway, thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little process video. Have a great scrappy day. Bye.